Afternoon, Facebook world. Colin Gainham here with Troy Chalet, introducing one of our brand new listings coming out of the Karen Paul team here at 3148 Goodyear Road. We are here today in Alton West with a brand new 2-year new build. We are over 2,500 square feet with 4 bedrooms and an absolutely stunning layout. Couple pointers I'd like to highlight of this lovely neighborhood. We're in North Burlington. We're in the catchment zone of the most highest regarded high school in Burlington, which recently went paperless, Hayden High School. In addition to that, we're only minutes away from a GO station carpool lane, as well as the 407 and all major highways. Probably about a 5 to 10 minute drive to any GO station that you would want to use to get down to Toronto. Now, enough about the neighborhood. Let's go check out this absolutely stunning property.
Beautiful finish. Love the rusticated stonework. Nice separate garage doors. It's a huge garage, in fact. Nicely trimmed property. Colin, take us in.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, Troy. Immediately when you walk in, you are greeted with high ceilings and beautiful fixtures throughout. It really gives a sense of elegance, and that continues throughout the entire property. Right when you're walking in, we have a large double coat closet. Always can have more storage in a house.
Love the light. The French doors offer a nice and deep light, nice and bright. Let's check out this garage.
Wow.
Huge garage.
Full double with additional space for your hobbyist. Tools, storage, again, more and more, every video we're talking about these days is there's a high focus on the amount of storage that a home offers. This garage is perfect for anybody.
It's got a nice high ceiling, so if you're a weekend warrior, you can easily fit a lift in there and hoist that toy up.
Absolutely. So walking in, again, we have beautiful finishes that carry throughout the home. You see this lovely tile that continues from the front door all the way to the back, and some beautiful hardwood as well. Now, look at this living space.
Love the consistency. The tile was really nice. Large, oversized tile. Nice open family room, open kitchen.
And no expense was spared with the upgrades in this kitchen. We have a gas range, stainless steel appliances, upgraded sink, and also a lovely gas fireplace that you can sit around those cozy, cold winter nights. Now, being the first day of spring, it makes sense that we show you the living space you can have in your own backyard. Right this way to a beautiful newly constructed deck.
Right off the kitchen, French doors outside, great deck. Nice space.
Barbecue, fireplace. Again, livable space in your backyard. What more could you ask for? One thing I'd like to point out as well is look at all the cupboard space in this kitchen. You have the extended wall, the built-ins. Really, really thoughtfully done.
Lots of pantry space. Love the built-in oven microwave combo. Nice quartz countertops, matching quartz island.
So for those just tuning in, today we are at 3148 Goodyear Road. We're offering this property at $1,650,000. We're over 2,500 square feet above grade, 4 bedrooms, and again, have a look at the finishes in this property.
Nicely done. I love the color of the wood. Beautifully matches the accents and the tiles.
And before we go upstairs and show off everything that level has to offer, we're going to do a quick walk through the unfinished basement. Before that, we have a 2-piece powder room. And a blank slate to finish this basement how you see fit. One thing I really wanted to showcase in this video is the size and depth of the windows.
Tons of potential down here. Really high ceiling,
And that is what is so important. The worst feature of many basements that we find in Burlington and the Halton region are the size of the windows. Usually they're a quarter of that, and the amount of natural light that comes into this room, absolutely fantastic. You have a sump pump as well, an extremely dry basement, nothing to worry about here.
Tons of space, tons of potential. Love those giant egress windows.
And now we'll take you up to the second story.
Right this way. Nice spiral staircase, very grand, wrought iron pickets. Love the smoke sort of wood finish. Again, matches beautifully with the tiles. All the colors and aesthetics are consistent. Fantastic light fixtures. Let's see this beautiful 4-bedroom.
Absolutely. Tell me about this space here,
Love
Troy.
this space. So usable. A secondary family room, could be a study room. I just love it. Could be anything. What a nice space for the family to be together, you know, before bed, in the morning. Just sort of a great nesting area. Palladium window with nice blinds.
Wow.
Bedroom 1. Really nice and bright. I think you get a sense of the light. It's just so bright in here.
We
Double
have
closets.
wow.
Love these windows. Great room, currently set up as an office. Could be a nice bedroom as well.
One of my favorite characters from one of my favorite shows over there as well.
Absolutely.
Again, yeah, Troy, I think you're right on these windows, you know. Every room, fantastic amount of natural light coming through.
Bedroom number 3. Again, very generous. King size bed here. Double closets.
Wow.
Beautiful east facing windows. Get the morning sun.
And again, a double closet as well. So when we're talking about storage, folks, we're not kidding.
Nice 4-piece. Bedroom level laundry too. Love that.
Okay. So tub, shower, and what was that, Troy? Did you say?
Bedroom level laundry. Love the upstairs laundry. That's where all the laundry comes from. Let's keep it up here.
More and more of my clients are requesting that as, you know, moving from the want list to a need list, and
absolutely.
certainly fixing. So, Troy, without further ado, the master.
The master. Double doors into the master. Again, beautiful bright room. Clearly tons of room for a king size bed.
Wow. Great fixtures throughout as well. You know, they're certainly not builder basic. They are absolutely stunning.
Lighting for sure. Nice walk-in closet. And here we have a 5-piece. The whirlpool tub.
Wow.
Tiled shower. Double vanity.
Let's see that tub. And standing shower as well. Best of both worlds.
Gorgeous. I like the frameless glass.
Absolutely on trend, and to be honest, it looks fantastic.
Excellent. Back out to this little family room. Such a great space. So many ideas. Thank you so much. If you'd like to reach out to us and you would book your private tour, we'd be more than happy to provide you, arrange a showing and provide you with some information. We're at 3148 Goodyear. Please give Karen Paul and Associates a call. Thanks, everyone.
Take care.